Everyone, I'm going to share with you all the formula of my most favorite and also most underrated magical masks ever that has undoubtedly worked for me when nothing else has. So let's quickly check on the ingredients now. As you can see, the first thing we need is half a tablespoon of curd approximately. There we will have to put half a tablespoon of gram flour, besan. Then I'm going to add a little bit of wild turmeric or kasturi manjal. You can also use the edible turmeric which we find in the kitchen. That will also work. Then I love to put a pinch of red sandalwood powder. This is of course an optional one that I also have started using very recently. The last one is of course honey. Okay, so we are going to give it a good mix all together, and after we are satisfied with the consistency, we are going to apply it all over the face and the neck. We have to make sure that the face has been cleansed properly before we apply this face pack. Now see, we are using curd which contains lactic acid, which is an AHA or alpha hydroxy acid, along with nutrients and vitamin B5 that would exfoliate the dead skin cells, revealing the clearer skin. It also fights the early signs of aging and improves the appearance of photo-damaged skin that generally happens because of sun exposure. Secondly, besan is the best ever natural cleanser I know. It cleans the dirt, removes excess oil and tan, imparts glow as well with other several benefits. Thirdly, we all know turmeric has always been an integral part of Ayurveda as skin brightening agent. Now this wild turmeric or kasturi manjal, which is proved to be even better for skin, making it blemish free and glowing. Fourthly, Rakta Chandana or red sandalwood is another highly praised fine ingredient owing to its antibacterial traits. This eliminates and lightens the tough and long-term pigmentation spots, scars and acne from the skin. Lastly, honey was added for hydration as it draws moisture from the air and binds it to the skin. I kept the mask for about 15 to 20 minutes and didn't allow it to completely dry. After rinsing the mask with lukewarm water, I feel the brightness on the face is significantly visible. Disclaimer, brightness doesn't mean skin whitening or fairness. It means blemish-free, clearer, enhanced skin texture. Now I feel Ayurveda has a lot of these treasure troves hidden here and there which we Indians tend to either ignore or demean by choosing products from other countries. But if we can use these diligently, I personally feel there's nothing better than this. So this video is an endeavor to share the Ayurvedic knowledge with you all. Let's excavate out all of these beauty secrets that Indians followed since ancient ages and became extremely beautiful. I hope this video enriches you. Please don't forget to share your thoughts with me on this. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more. Bye.